everyone. My name is John Emery Patulog, and together with me is Miss Mary Rose Galano and Mr. John Paul Ramos na kasama natin siya virtually na sumusuport para sa interview na to. It's our pleasure and to have this opportunity para ma-interview. Kasama namin si Miss.
The pleasure is mine. My name is Iya Galano. I'm the owner of Playbear and Place Branch and also the Glow Up Studio by Iya.
So now we will explore the leadership experience and decision making of a business owner. So now, Miss Iya, have you encountered a situation where organizational policies and ethical considerations seem to conflict? How did you navigate the situation?
That's a great question. Actually, meron talagang nangyayari na hindi tugma yung company policy with what's actually happening inside the company, especially with our employees. Pero I try to balance it and without even really breaking our company rules, nakikisama rin ako sa staff. Kailangan, as an empath, actually I'm an empath person. As an empath, kailangan nilalagay ko rin yung shoes ko sa kanila. Yes.
So for the second question, leadership involves authority and influence over others. So how do you ensure that your power is exercised responsibly and fairly?
Being irresponsible and being a fair owner of a company, even a small business pa lang ako, I make sure na fair ako sa kanilang lahat. No favoritism. So if may pagkakamali, I correct them personally, but I boost their morale as a group, in a meeting or in a group chat. And also, I think for me, being a leader is not about controlling, but it's also how you guide them. So you can empower them na kaya pala nila. Kasi mabibilib din sila sa sarili nila na, ay, kaya ko pala to. So, mas mamomotivate sila mag-work or magiging mas makakaisip sila ng other ways para mas mapadali o mas magagaling sila sa work nila.
So, yan. Nagustuhan ko yung sinabi niya na makakapag-boost ng moral, na. So, syempre in that way, kahit na hindi siya babantayan ni Miss Iya, so kahit wala supervise na mangyayari, magagawa nila ng maayos at makasigurado siya since empowered na lahat ng kanyang mga employee or staff.
Correct, John. And can I answer, John?
Sige.
Also kasi, pag nagkakamali sila, pag binibigay may nagkakamali sila, okay lang. Kasi maliliit na mga pagkakamali pa lang sa umpisa yan eh. Hanggang sa natututo na rin sila ng decision making nila on their own.
Yes.
Napapractice namin dun.
So, ang next question natin is, what has been one of the most ethically challenging situation you faced as a leader and what did you learn from it?
One of the most challenging I face as an entrepreneur is that handling people, handling employees. Until ngayon, hindi ako perfect and nagsastruggle pa rin ako dun. Kasi, like for example, I have this one employee that is underperforming and siguro nagsastruggle siya. May struggle siya sa own life niya and so kailangan kong maging balance pa rin. Kailangan kong maging firm. But still humane, I put my shoes on their shoes so I understand them. But I set my boundaries and my rules is very firm na kailangan ganito kasi kailangan magtulungan tayo. As an entrepreneur and as an employee, kailangan magtutulungan tayo. Ibibigay ko yung best ko, ibibigay mo rin yung best mo para pareho tayong mag-grow. Meet halfway.
So, pinaka-importante din talaga is yung pagtutulungan kasama yung mga team.
Yes. Can I answer, John, also, that when hiring, always ang iniisip ko sa isang employee is that we have the same vision. Kailangan same vision tayo. Para yung goal natin, mamimit natin. Kasi pag makikita mo na sa person hindi ito yung vision niya. Maybe ginagawa lang to for money or whatever. But yung passion, yung vision, dun ka lumalaban. Dun ka mas nagiging masaya. And now we prioritize our mental health as well. So, yun.
So now, Miss Iya, what leadership mistake taught you one of the most important lessons in your career?
One of the most important lessons in my career, actually madami siya. Pero I can share one thing. Kasi before, I always do everything by my own. So, decision making, labor, marketing, research and development, lahat, purchasing. So, lahat ako lahat. Tapos, as time passed by, parang nabu-burn out na ako. Pagod na ako. Even with high income, parang hindi na pala ako masaya. Parang kahit na effective pala yung nangyayari, maganda yung nangyayari, pero hindi ka na masaya, pagod na pagod ka na. And being an effective leader, you have to delegate tasks. Kasi na-empower mo na sila eh. So, kailangan sila naman mag-decide sila on their own para mag-grow yung company. Para matulungan ka nila, para mas lalong lumaki.
So, tama yun, no? Na parang, minsan talaga dadating yung time na mababurnout ka. Pero in the long run, doon mo makikita kung paano talaga maging true leader sa business. What advice would you give to professionals preparing for leadership roles in the future?
So for the young entrepreneurs in the future, I advise is that they prioritize building the character and the skills of the employee. So in building the skills, doon pumapasok dapat importante yung training mo. Mabibuild mo and ma-upgrade mo yung skills ng isang employee. But the most important thing is their character. Ang hirap ituro kahit anong training ng character ng isang employee. So kailangan when hiring, first sinabi ko kanina, kailangan same kayo ng vision. And then, saka mo upgrade your skills kaya pag pareho kayo ng vision. And for sure, pag dumating na kayo doon, yung character niya minsan masusubok yan eh. Kasi syempre kahit ako, I'm not perfect. For sure, may nasasabi rin yung mga employees, I'm not perfect and so they are. So ngayon, dun kayo mag-meet halfway. Kailangan nagkakaintindihan kayo. So ako, natututo ako sa kanila. And I hope sila rin may natutunan din sa akin. Be fair, communicate well, and be empathetic with your employees as well. Lagi mong puput yung shoes mo sa kanila para naiintindihan mo sila. Pero also, maging firm ka with your decision and your rules. Kasi, pinaghirapan mo yan. So, huwag mo hahayaan na sa isang nabubulok, sasamahan siya ng mga fresh fruits. So, kailangan i-segregate mo na yun. Pagkagabi.
So, yun, ang pinaka tumatak sa akin na sinabi ni Miss Iya is yung maging firm ka and ilalagay mo yung posisyon mo sa posisyon ng iyong employee and maging humane. And syempre yung importante yung mag-communicate ka kasama ng mga employees mo para makapag-share kayo ng ideas and maayos agad lahat ng mga problema umpisa pa lamang.
Also to add, Mr. John, ang importante din talaga is to have a good attitude or character para magkaroon kayo ng maganda and positive na environment sa workforce nyo. Kasi importante yan para lahat kayo magaan ang pakiramdam pagpasok pa lang. Excited kayong lahat pumasok, masaya kayo, and yun ang importante, camaraderie. So, thank you, Miss Iya, for having your time sa interview na to.
No problem. And I am very also thankful and grateful to have this opportunity. Yes.
As we wrap up our conversation with Miss Iya, malinaw na marami tayong mapupulot at mapag-iisipan sa mga insights niya. At the end of the day, nire-remind tayo ng interview na to ng isang powerful truth. Ang leadership ay hindi tungkol sa title na meron ka. Tungkol ito sa kung anong klaseng tao ang pipiliin mong maging. Through Miss Aya's experiences, nakita natin kung ano talaga ang itsura ng real leadership in action. Ito yung pagbabalance ng rules with empathy. Yung pagiging fair, walang paboritismo, at pag-angat sa mga tao instead of bringing them down. It is staying humane, setting boundaries, and leading a team na sabay-sabay nag-go-grow. Lahat ng na-share niya connects back sa mga leadership lessons na natututunan natin sa class, yung ethical decision-making, responsible use of power, emotional intelligence, learning from mistakes, pagde-delegate before you burn out, at ang pinaka-importante, building people, not just through skills, kundi pati na rin sa character. Kaya if there is one message to walk away with, ito yon. Great leaders are not born, they are built. Nabubuild sila through empathy, fairness, courage, at yung willingness to grow. And if we start practicing these today, on the way na tayo para maging leaders na gusto nating maging sa hinaharap.